I guess just a thought in my head, of course, is that being more of a off-roady, not off-road, but a secondary road, there's much more chance of seeing a wild animal. The lady at Mound said because of the rain, the elephant, of course, don't come to the road, but when it's dry season, you probably would have seen elephant. In fact, I think I saw elephant poop on the road. But a lot more chance of seeing kind of wild game. Also to be alert, of course, because that's not just cows, donkeys, horses, goats, domestic animals. We could do a little bit of wild stuff too. Alright, cloud cover is sort of disappearing. You see the sun coming out a bit, coming over my right shoulder over there, giving a nice nice colour hue, I think. See you later.